I'm upset, I'm aggravated due to we didn't meet our criteria. I know people are hurting. I know people weren't planning on using money to do this, but the situation is what it is. If there's a way that we could help better prepare, that's what I want to do moving into the future. I would like to assist anybody if we wanted to have some planning meetings or anything like that, that we could actually have a discussion to see, make sure that something like this don't ever happen to them again. I think I'm trying to come up with a positive out of some of this, opposed to this being a totally negative situation.